Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Slow English Podcast. Today, we are at a big international airport in Europe. People are walking fast. Flights are being announced. Lights are bright. And the journey is about to begin. Today's topic is airport and travel in Europe. In this video, you will learn real English sentences for airport, flight, and travel situations. I will say each sentence 3 times. Then you will hear a natural answer. So relax, listen slowly, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Where is the entrance to the airport? Again. Where is the entrance to the airport? One more time. Where is the entrance to the airport? Answer. It is right in front of you. Repeat after me. It is right in front of you. Again. It is right in front of you. One more time. It is right in front of you. Repeat after me. I have a flight to Paris. Again. I have a flight to Paris. One more time. I have a flight to Paris. Answer. Please go to the check-in counter. Repeat after me. Please go to the check-in counter. Again. Please go to the check-in counter. One more time. Please go to the check-in counter. I would like to check in. Again. I would like to check in. One more time. I would like to check in. May I see your passport? Repeat after me. May I see your passport? Again. May I see your passport? One more time. May I see your passport? Repeat after me. Here is my passport. Again. Here is my passport. One more time. Here is my passport. Do you have any luggage? Repeat after me. Do you have any luggage? Again. Do you have any luggage? One more time. Do you have any luggage? Repeat after me. Yes, I have 1 suitcase. Again. Yes, I have 1 suitcase. One more time. Yes, I have 1 suitcase. Please put it on the scale. Repeat after me. Please put it on the scale. Again. Please put it on the scale. One more time. Please put it on the scale. Where is passport control? Again. Where is passport control? One more time. Where is passport control? Go straight and turn left. Repeat after me. Go straight and turn left. Again. Go straight and turn left. One more time. Go straight and turn left. What is the purpose of your visit? Again. What is the purpose of your visit? One more time. What is the purpose of your visit? I am here for travel. Repeat after me. I am here for travel. Again. I am here for travel. One more time. I am here for travel. Where is gate 12? Again. Where is gate 12? One more time. Where is gate 12? It is near the coffee shop. Repeat after me. It is near the coffee shop. Again. It is near the coffee shop. One more time. It is near the coffee shop. Is this the boarding line? Again. Is this the boarding line? One more time. Is this the boarding line? Yes, please wait here. Repeat after me. Please wait here. Again. Please wait here. One more time. Please wait here. Excuse me, this is my seat. Again. Excuse me, this is my seat. One more time. Excuse me, this is my seat. Oh, sorry. Please sit. Repeat after me. Please sit. Again. Please sit. One more time. Please sit. Repeat after me. Can I have some water? Again. Can I have some water? One more time. Can I have some water? Sure, here you go. Repeat after me. Here you go. Again. Here you go. One more time. Here you go. Where is the taxi stand? Again. Where is the taxi stand? One more time. Where is the taxi stand? It is outside the airport. Repeat after me. It is outside the airport. Again. It is outside the airport. One more time. It is outside the airport. How can I go to the city center? Again. How can I go to the city center? One more time. How can I go to the city center? You can take a train or a taxi. Repeat after me. You can take a train or a taxi. Again. You can take a train or a taxi. One more time. You can take a train or a taxi. This place is amazing. Again. This place is amazing. One more time. This place is amazing. Yes, it is beautiful. Repeat after me. It is beautiful. Again. It is beautiful. One more time. It is beautiful. I love traveling. Again. I love traveling. One more time. I love traveling. Me too. Repeat after me. Me too. Again. Me too. One more time. Me too. Wonderful, my friend. Today, you learned real English for airport and travel. Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly and confidently. Your journey has just begun. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.